So you can introduce yourself to all of us.
Sir, my name is Amara, saeed. I belong to the city of soldiers, that is Jehannam. I am presently residing in Tabela, Kent. My father is retired from Air Force as Chief Tech. My mother is a teacher, and I have 3 brothers and 1 sister. I am currently doing job as lecturer chemistry in Government of the Punjab. My present place of posting is Government Degree College for Women, Hassan Abdal. I did my MSc from Punjab University in chemistry. Before that, I did my bachelor's from University of Sargota, and my early education is from Fazaiya School and Colleges. So I aspire to join civil services because I believe that it provides a platform where you can serve your country as well as the people on grassroots level. I want to join Pakistan Administrative Service because I believe it is very diverse, and in terms of